Hey, look, we have a Draven in the camera. You see camera? Oh, damn, dude. Oh, dude, you're crushing something in my pocket, which is crushing my leg. Sit still. that was the brutalest face ever, dude. There's almost some dinner, dude. Oh, more dinner. And the soda is that dragon fruit. Dragon fruit Pepsi. Yeah. Surfing and shit. Raven, don't move around. You're gonna hurt my stomach. Welcome to Amsterdam. Smoke weed every day, motherfucker. Deep Willie.